Hello, it's Garemore. Today I made a fire alarm or smoke alarm control system with a Arduino Uno and the speaker here and LCD screen. Right now it's on normal because nothing's been activated. And over here we have 3 lights: power, the alarm, and the silence. And you have the reset. I'm going to reset it so you can see it glowing. And you get the silence here. And we have the 4 trigger buttons for 4 different zones. I'm only going to be activating a few of them because I don't have much time on this video recorder. We're going to start with zone 1. It says that there's an alarm now. Oh. It's silence. No, it's silenced. If you want to reset these lights and display, you will just reset the system. Now we got zone 2. Zone 3. And zone 4. If it's silenced and another alarm comes in, just go back to the alarm state. Reset. And silence. I get silence. Sometimes you have to hold the buttons down to activate them. And then I reset. And there's the indicator lights there. And it's back to normal. I added a brightness control so that the light from the LCD does not slump the camera. Right. You also notice that it's 520 hertz. That 520 hertz sound is now required by code, at least in sleeping areas. I don't know about other areas of the house. This is supposed to be hooked up to a PA system. I just have it hooked up to the speaker for the sake of demonstration. And these zone buttons would be connected to different smoke detectors or smoke alarms throughout your building. You could have a remote silence if you wanted to. Just attach to the silence button pin. And if you wanted to, you could add more zones. I only have 4 zones just for demonstration. When we take a look at the code, you might not be able to see this very well. This here, you could add more zones if you wanted to. I only have 4. You could display something different by just changing these. Alright, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.